Hi there, my name is Dr. Jin Eslami. I'm a board certified periodontist and I practice in Orange County, California. I'm a gum specialist. So today what I'd like to speak with you about is using super glue. Yes, super glue. People, the new trend is to use super glue to fix that faulty filling or that chip or even a crown that has fallen off and to replace it, put it back in there with super glue. Well, the reason the filling has fallen out or the crown has fallen out is because you most likely have a cavity, and that's why the restoration has failed. So by placing super glue, it can lead to infection. In addition to that, super glue is toxic, so it can also lead to toxicity. So please do not use super glue to fix your chips or to fix a filling or to do anything in the oral cavity with it. It's not meant for the mouth.